Hi! Welcome to Phil Korean TV Math Corner. The topic that we are going to discuss in this video is dividing simple fractions and mixed numbers. Sa video ito ay magsusolve tayo ng ganitong problems. Magdi-divide tayo ng parehong fractions, ng whole number at saka fraction, ng whole number at saka mixed number at saka fraction, at saka magdi-divide din tayo ng parehong mixed numbers. Ang lessons na ito ay nasa module 5 ng grade 6. At hindi lamang sa grade 6 lessons ito, maging sa grade 3 nag-uumpisa na rin sa fractions. So, makakatulong sa inyo ang video ito para matuto kayo sa pag-divide ng fractions. Sana po ay panuorin po ninyo ang video ito para matutunan po ninyo ang lahat. At kung may natutunan kayo sa video ito at nakatulong ito sa inyo, bigyan nyo naman po ng like ang video ito. At sana mag-subscribe po kayo sa channel ko para mas marami pa kayong matutunan. We will solve first division of fractions. The problem is 1/2 divided by 2/7. To divide fractions, we need to get the reciprocal of the divisor, and then we will change the division sign into multiplication sign. Now, when we say reciprocal, it is a number related to another number in the sense that their product is 1. So, ibig sabihin ng reciprocal, ito yung number na related sa given number na kapag i-multiply natin, yung answer nila ay 1. Yung product ay 1. Okay, so, kukunin natin yung reciprocal ng divisor na 2/7. Yung dividend is 1/2. Okay. Then, the reciprocal of 2/7 is 7/2 or 7/2. Because, when we multiply 2/7 by 7/2, the answer is 1. So, ito yung reciprocal niya. Next step, we will change division into multiplication. Gagamitin natin yung times. The next step is to multiply the numerators and multiply also the denominators. Or we can use cancellation if possible. So, let's answer. Okay, sagutin natin ito. Okay, mag-multiply na tayo. 1 times 7 equals 7. I-times din natin ang denominators. 2 times 2 equals 4. Okay. The answer is 7/4. Improper fraction. The numerator 7 is greater than 4. Kailangan natin itong i-simplify. So, sa pag-simplify, i-divide lang natin ang numerator sa denominator. So, i-divide natin dito. 7 divided by 4. The answer is 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. And then subtract. 7 minus 4 equals 3. To write the answer, we will write the quotient 1 as whole number. So, equals. So, whole number yung 1. And the remainder 3 is the numerator. And then, the divisor 4 is the denominator. Okay. So, the answer is 1 3/4. Next problem, 10 divided by 4/8. So, ito naman, i-divide natin yung whole number sa fraction. To divide whole number by a fraction, we need to change the whole number into fraction. We will use 1 as a denominator. So, Ibig sabihin, itong whole number na 10, gagawin natin itong fraction. Lalagyan natin ito ng denominator na 1. And then, we will multiply it by the reciprocal of the divisor. So, gagawin natin itong fraction. Lalagyan natin itong denominator na 1. Kaya magiging 10 over 1. And then, kukunin natin ang reciprocal nitong divisor. Ang reciprocal nito ay 8/4. Ayan. Then, change natin itong division sign into multiplication sign. So, magmumultiply tayo. Okay, next step, multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. But if possible, use cancellation. So, dito, pwede natin gamitin ang cancellation para mas mababa yung number na i-multiply natin. Paano natin gagamitin ang cancellation? Tingnan niyo itong numerator at saka yung denominator dito. Meron silang common factor aside from 1. So, meron silang GCF. Kukunin natin ang GCF nito at i-divide natin sila. Ang GCF ng 10 at saka 4 ay 2. Ayan. So, ika-cancel natin ito at i-divide sa 2. Yan ang GCF nila. Ganito yung pagkuha ng GCF. So, yung kukuha na natin ng GCF, yung 10 at saka 4. Continuous division itong ginamit kong method. So, i-divide natin itong 10 at saka 4 sa prime factors nila. Ang 10 at saka 4 ay parehong even numbers. Kaya pwede itong ma-divide sa 2. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Okay, yung 5 at saka 2 pareho ng prime numbers. Kaya wala nang makaka-divide sa kanila maliban sa 1. So, hindi na natin sila i-divide sa 1 kasi ganun pa rin naman yung result. Okay, ito ngayon yung GCF. Kaya, nandito yung GCF na ilagay natin. 2. So, dito na tayo sa cancellation. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And then, 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Next step, multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. Dahil gumamit tayo ng cancellation, mababang number na lang ang i-multiply natin. So, 5 times 8 equals 40. And then, 1 times 2 equals 2. The answer is 40 over 2. Improper fraction. Kaya kailangan natin itong isimplify by dividing the numerator by the denominator. So, i-divide natin ang 40 sa 2. 40 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. Okay? Next, 4 minus 4 equals 0. So, hindi natin lalagay yung 0. Bring down 0. 0 divided by 2 equals 0. 0 times 2 equals 0. And then, subtract 0. So, ipinakita ko lamang yung proseso ng pag-divide. Okay, yung quotient natin, 20. Walang remainder. So, ibig sabihin, yung answer nito ay whole number. 40 divided by 2 equals 20. So, the answer is 20. Third problem na isosolve natin is division of whole number and mixed number. Okay, 12 divided by 4 and 2/5. Okay, to divide whole number by mixed number, we need to change the whole number and the mixed number into improper fraction. And then, we will multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Gawin na natin itong improper fraction at gagawin din natin itong improper fraction. Okay, itong whole number para maging improper fraction, gagamitan natin siya ng denominator na 1. Kaya yung 12 ang numerator natin at yung 1 ang denominator. So, improper fraction na siya. Okay, next naman, itong 4 and 2/5 mixed number, gagawin nating improper fraction. Para maging improper fraction ito, i-multiply lang natin itong denominator at saka whole number. So, itong dalawang ito, i-multiply natin. Ang answer dyan ay i-add natin itong 2. So, bali, 5 times 4 plus 2 equals. Okay. 5 times 4 equals 20 plus 2 equals 22. So, ang 22, itong 22 ang bago nating numerator, 22. And then, ang denominator na 5. Okay, papalitan natin itong division sign ng multiplication sign. Okay, nagawa na natin silang parehong improper fraction. Sunod, kukunin natin ang reciprocal nitong 22/5. Dahil yun ang imumultiply natin sa 12/1. Okay, so 12/1 times, ang reciprocal ng 22/5 ay 5/22. Ayan, nakuha na natin yung reciprocal. So, ito na yung isosolve natin. Next step, multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. Use cancellation method if possible. Okay, dito pwede natin gamitin ang cancellation method. Yung 12 at saka 22, parehong even numbers, meron itong other factors maliban sa 1. Kaya i-divide natin ito sa GCF nila. Ang GCF ng 12 at saka 22 is 2. Kaya i-divide natin sila sa 2. Cancel. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. Okay. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 22 divided by 2 equals 11. Next, i-multiply na natin. 6 times 5 equals 30. Multiply the denominators. 1 times 11 equals 11. Okay, the answer is 30/11. Improper fraction ito. Mataas yung numerator sa denominator. Kaya kailangan natin itong isimplify. I-divide natin itong 30 sa denominator na 11. 30 divided by 11, the answer is 2. 2 times 11 equals 22. Subtract, so magiging 10 and magiging 2. 10 minus 2 equals 8. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Hindi na natin ilalagay. Okay, the quotient is 2 and the remainder is 8. Okay, so isulat natin dito. Yung pagsulat natin, yung quotient na 2, yun ang whole number. And then, yung remainder na 8, ang numerator. At ang divisor na 11, ay yun ang denominator natin. Ito na yung answer natin. 2 and 8/11. Fourth problem is 2 and 2/3 divided by 5/6. So, we will divide the mixed number by a fraction. To divide mixed number by a fraction, we will change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. And then, we will get the reciprocal of the divisor and then we will multiply the 2. Okay, gawin natin itong improper fraction. I-multiply natin ang denominator sa whole number at ipa-plus yung numerator. Okay, 3 times 2, 6. plus 2 equals 8. So 8 is the numerator. And then, copy the denominator 3. Okay, improper fraction na. Okay, next, get the reciprocal of the divisor. Ito yung divisor. So, ang reciprocal ng 5/6 ay 6/5. Okay, ito na yung reciprocal. The next, i-change natin yung division sign sa multiplication sign. Okay, so magmumultiply tayo. Tingnan natin kung pwedeng gamitan ng cancellation method. Yung 8 at saka 5, walang common factor aside from 1. Okay, hindi na natin kailangang i-cancel sila. Itong 3 at saka 6, mayroon silang common factor maliban sa 1. Kaya i-divide natin sila sa GCF. Ang GCF ng 3 at saka 6 ay 3. So, i-divide sa 3. I-divide din natin ito sa 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Okay, next step, multiply. Multiply the numerators. 8 times 2 equals 16. Multiply the denominators. 1 times 5 equals 5. The answer is 16/5. Improper fraction. Kaya, kailangan nating isimplify. I-divide natin yung numerator na 16 sa 5. 16 divided by 5. 16 divided by 5 equals 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. And 16 minus 15 equals 1. Okay, the quotient is 3. So, ito yung magiging whole number. Okay, so, ang remainder na 1, yun ang numerator natin. And then, yung 5 ang denominator. Okay, so the answer is 3 and 1/5. Okay, for the last problem, we will divide mixed numbers. 15 and 1/3 divided by 5 and 2/4. Okay, pareho silang mixed number. Kaya ang gagawin natin ay i-change natin sila pareho sa improper fraction. Pagkatapos nating magawa silang improper fraction, kukunin natin yung reciprocal nitong divisor at imumultiply dito sa dividend. Okay, gawin na natin itong improper fraction. So, i-multiply natin yung denominator na 3 sa whole number na 15 at i-add yung numerator na 1. 3 times 15 equals 45 plus 1 equals 46. Okay, kaya ang numerator niya ay 46. And then, copy the denominator, 3. I-change din natin itong divisor sa improper fraction. So, ang denominator na 4 ay i-multiply natin sa whole number na 5 at i-add natin yung numerator para makuha natin yung bagong numerator. 4 times 5 equals 20 plus 2 equals 22. Kaya ang answer ay 22 yung numerator at kukopyahin natin yung denominator na 4. Okay. Pareho na silang improper fraction. Next step is to get the reciprocal of the divisor. Ito yung divisor natin. Kukunin natin ang reciprocal nito. Yung dividend, 46 thirds. And then, itong division ay magiging multiplication. At saka yung reciprocal ng 22 over 4 ay 4 over 22. Okay, that is the reciprocal. Okay, the next step, multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, or use cancellation before multiplying. Okay, tingnan natin kung pwede tayong maka-apply ng cancellation dito. Yung 46 at saka 22. Pareho silang even numbers. So,
pwede itong i-divide sa 2. Okay. So, i-divide natin ito sa 2. Ito yung GCF nila, 2 divided by 2. So, 46 divided by 2, the answer is 23. 22 divided by 2 equals 11. Okay. Next, itong 3 at saka 4, magkasunod na number. So, wala itong ibang factor kundi 1. Hindi na natin sila i-divide sa 1 kasi ganun pa rin yung answer. Okay, next step, multiply the numerators. Okay, let's multiply. 23 times 4 equals 92. Next, multiply the denominators. 3 times 11 equals 33. The answer is 92 over 33. Improper fraction, kaya isimplify natin. I-divide natin yung numerator sa denominator. 92 divided by 33. 92 divided by 33 is 2. 2 times 33 equals 66. Subtract. Okay, 2 minus 6 cannot be. Magbabaro tayo dito. So, ito yung magiging 8. Ito yung magiging 12. 12 minus 6 equals 6. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Okay, 26 yung remainder. Yung quotient is 2. The remainder is 26. Ang quotient ang siyang magiging whole number. Ang remainder na 26 ang numerator at yung denominator ay 33. Okay, yung answer ay 2 and 26 over 33.
Sana may natutuhan kayo sa videong ito. See you next time. God bless!